So just the two.
Welcome to the 2020 Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market. Right here with us today we have Myron Troyer with Penwood. Now Myron, can you tell us about Penwood?
Yes, Penwood specializes in custom. It can be custom cabinetry, it can be custom furniture, things that maybe your standard run shop is not interested in. That's what we want.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about the cabinets here?
Yes, when it comes to cabinetry, anything in residential lines we do. Anything in commercials we can handle as well. Basically, you dream it, we can build it. When it comes to furniture, our specialty is in the space-saving wall bed line.
Okay, well let's take a look over there and you can show us the space-saving wall bed.
All right.
Now can you tell us a little bit about where someone might use something like this?
Excellent question. Where I use it at home is in my office.
Okay.
I need to use my third bedroom as an office.
Yeah.
Excellent. I can have my desk during the day. Family comes over nights and wants to stay. In 5 seconds, it converts into a bed.
That is fantastic.
Playrooms. Utilizing space in basements. List goes on and on.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And with so many people working from home, this is a great option to use it as an office.
Yes.
And as well as a bed.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Well, why don't you show us how it works?
I'd love to.
So you don't even have to move the decorations on top,
You do
right?
not. This is the cube bed.
Wonderful. And it is also compact when it is up there.
Yes.
Okay.
And there
Just
you go.
like that. Wonderful. Thank you.
Folds
You need
right
help
back up.
folding back up?
Slides
And it
right
slides
back
it in. Wonderful. That is just beautiful. And I love the clean lines in the hardware too. Why don't we walk over here and you can show us
All right.
what is over here. Before we end this, can you tell us what colors and stains and wood it comes in?
Yes, we do them in all of your major hardwoods, all of the OCS, the highest standard stains, any paints that you choose. Even if you have something that is customized, you bring in a color, we'll match it, and we'll finish it in that color.
Great, wonderful. That's wonderful. Let's just head on over here then. Now, what do we have here?
This is our
beautiful desk.
Yes, this is the unit I actually have in my own office where it's a 2.0 desk wall bed combination.
Okay.
Be happy to show you how it works.
Yes, please do. This is a gorgeous desk in itself.
You notice you've got the drinks sitting right on there.
Do you need help moving them?
No,
No?
it's fine.
Okay.
They'll just stay level.
Oh
Nothing
my
spilled.
goodness! That is incredible. That is wonderful. And then you just put the pillows on.
Yes.
That is great. And you know, that is especially awesome because for me in my house, I have, these neat little stacks of piles
Right.
on my desk
Exactly.
that I don't necessarily want to move off, but when someone comes over, you can just put the bed down.
That's right.
That is fantastic.
That's right. You saw how simple it was. You can adjust it where you can have a small child put it up and down.
That is perfect. Wonderful. Well, thank you very much, Myron. So this is the Ohio, this is Penwood Furniture, and we'll be showing you more furniture throughout the day. So stay tuned with us, and we'll show you some more.